Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a performance report on this CrusherBuilt 3cx3000. We got it ready to go here. Let's get right to it. 6200 volts on the plate at idle, and of course we're going into the dummy load. We are not on the air. First, what we got is we got the variable all the way down on this 1x4, and I'll show you what we got. 5-watt slug and input tune reflect, 1000 watt going out. There's your reflect on the right and your forward on the left. That 225 bird, 10,000 watt slug and average power. 2,000 watt carrier, hello. 3,300 bird. And keep in mind, we're just babying this, just a little over 200 bird in. Peak power, hello, 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 hello. 10,000 watt in the corner. Do it again. Picking up a little bit of background. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So this is just like as if you were going to run this 3000 with a 2-pill or a 1x2. Alright. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please tune in for the next video where we show it about 400 bird. From Truck at CrusherBuilt at gmail.com. Bump bump.